Welcome. In front of me I have the Xbox Series X, not XS, and today I'll show you just a brief unboxing just to see what's in here. So anyway, I'll mention one thing. It looks like it's been already dropped by someone, probably in like transport or in just the store, whatever the case may be. It's kind of disconcerting. But anyway, let's just find how to open it, and I have to give props to them because they just added this. The same thing that Apple does. Damn, I always love those. So, let's see. I threw the box. Oh well. So yeah. So from here we can hopefully lift this up. Hello? What's the point of this? Or am I just... Oh, okay, there's another one. Oh, I get it how it's opened. Okay. So let's just rip that off as well. Hopefully this one won't tear. Never mind, I just did. Okay, there we go. So I believe now I can just kind of do... Oh, I cannot. Oh, it stuck itself again. Oh, come on. Oh, there's another one. Damn. They really are protecting this device. There we go. Hopefully now I can pop it open. There we go. Not the smoothest opening of it, but still quite okay. And there's our console, so I'm just gonna take it out for now. Set it on the side. Controller? Anywhere? Wait, this does not come with a controller? Or am I just blind? Why would you include a photo of a controller if it doesn't come with it? What? Wait. Oh, wait. Oh, I'm stupid. There we go. Couldn't even see that. So yeah, here we got the controller. And we actually get a not type C, but HDMI cable, so we can plug it in, and the power cable. And it looks like that's basically it. I mean, there's some paperwork, but who cares about that one? We also get a tiny little instruction in here. If I can take it out, there we go. Just toss that to the side. So let's quickly look at these. So there is the controller. Nice. And here's the console. And here we go. So you can lay it flat like this, or you can also stand it up straight like this. And honestly, I will have to mention this. This looks way smaller than I actually expected it from the photos. So that's actually really nice. It still, even on the video, doesn't seem that small. It's a weird way, like, looking at it from just a camera right here, it looks bigger than it actually is. This thing is, like, here's a mouse for comparison. It's a relatively small mouse, and this kind of gives you a decent comparison, or just here's a controller. So it looks, on video and anywhere, like it looks bigger than it actually is, but in person this is fairly small. So yeah. So anyway, this basically concludes the unboxing. There's not much else in here. We just get a cable for charging, HDMI, the controller, and also batteries with it. There we go. There are the batteries and the console itself. So yeah, anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.